Hey guys, tip number 7 on how to be a better junior dev programmer. Today's tip is about the tragedy of the commons and why shared resources need collective responsibility. In 1968, ecologist Garrett Hardin described the problem that plagued medieval villages. Imagine a shared pasture where all villagers could graze their cattle. Each farmer thinks, hey, if I add one more cow, I'm gonna get all the milk I need. But what he doesn't realize is the cost of overgrazing is shared by everyone. If every farmer adds more cows, eventually the pasture is destroyed and everyone suffers. No more cows, no more milk. The tragedy isn't that people are malicious, it's that when everyone acts in their immediate self-interest without considering the collective impact, shared resources deteriorate and the entire system fails as a whole. The same pattern emerges in codebase. Your codebase is a shared pasture. When you take shortcuts, maybe leaving technical debt unfixed, skipping documentation, maybe taking a shortcut because it's a Friday, right? You're essentially adding another cow to the commons. You get the immediate benefit, but the cost is distributed across the entire team over the long run. Junior developers often fall into this trap because they're focused on their individual tasks and Jira tickets. They think, hey, I'll just write any code to finish this feature, and if it works, then I'm done. They think someone else can clean it up later. But if everyone thinks this way, the code gets increasingly messy, nobody would actually clean anything up, and eventually the system is too hard to modify or fix. The code base becomes a tragedy of the commons. The solution? Think beyond the immediate task. Before you commit code, ask yourself, am I leaving this code base better or worse than I found it? If you're adding technical debt, either improve what you're committing or at a minimum, document it and add it to your project tracking software to address it later. Also, take ownership of shared spaces, common utilities, helper functions, configuration files, documentation, tests. When you see something wrong in these areas, fix it. Don't assume someone else will take care of it. Contribute to the health of the commons and don't destroy the pasture. When you protect the commons, everyone benefits, and that includes you. And just like that, you're a better developer. I'm posting every weekday. I'll see you tomorrow.